is a landing page? Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creative Marketing, and welcome to my channel where we show you how to make money online as an affiliate marketer with honest reviews, tips and training. So be sure to hit the big red subscribe button down below. And in regards to that training, there is a link down in the description for some free training. It's a 12-step program that will walk you through starting a business online, right from what niche to pick, what domain names to pick, how to actually build a website with the basic pages such as your legal pages, your opt-in pages, and also what sort of traffic methods you can be using, and a hell of a lot more other stuff besides. The link is down in the description. So what is a landing page? Well, it's one of the main things that you actually need as an affiliate marketer. It is your asset. It is where you are going to collect leads. But generally, a landing page is one page that can either be an opt-in page or a squeeze page, or it can be a sales page or even a bridge page. So in our case, we're looking at it from the opt-in point of view. So this is a diagram of what actually happens. So you send traffic, whether it's free or paid, to a landing page, and people opt into that landing page, and once they've opted in, it directs them straight to the sales page, where if it converts, you earn a commission. But at the same time as that, it is actually going into your email list, and then from this email list you are sending emails to those same people. Now, some of them won't have purchased, so you will again be sending them to the same offer, but then again you can keep carrying on and providing different value and different offers that may suit the client in that niche. And that is a very important part of the landing page. You need to be congruent with your landing page to the same types of offers in the same niche. You cannot have a landing page that's collecting emails for, say, Ted's Woodworking, and then keep selling Ted's Woodworking products and then throw in a yoga burn product to the same list. It's just not going to work. So if you are doing different products that are in different niches, you need to make sure that you have a different landing page and that you have different lists for those emails. So let's move on and have a look at different examples of landing pages that are out there. Now, the first one is the one that you will actually see down below, and the whole point is getting at a pain point. And most pain points for affiliate marketers is that people are stuck and they find it difficult to find good, honest training that actually walks them step by step, because often some of the training has bits and pieces missing. So this is saying get unstuck with this free 12-step action plan for affiliate marketing, and you're only 2 clicks away. Then you enter the information and then you are directed straight to the free, in this case, free lead magnet, which is a 12-step action plan, which has got loads of videos and loads of training that's all brand new, and it actually shows you a business being built online from the ground up. So that is one of them. And then I'm going to go through different ones. Now, this one is called Simple E-commerce, and this one is built on ClickFunnels, and this one here is actually built on Thrive themes. So it doesn't really matter what page builder you use, they've all got pluses and minuses with them. So what this does is, this is about a workshop, and it's actually quite an old one because it's out of date. As you can see, it says Thursday the 10th of December, but apparently this had an over 70% conversion rate, which is really good. So as you can see, it tells you what it's about: the free traffic source that's generating over $1,000 per day without Facebook ads. And the problem is Facebook ads. Affiliate marketers often get banned with Facebook ads, and even affiliate marketers, just ordinary people, get their accounts banned because apparently they've digressed on some really obscure Facebook rule. So this is what the pain point is: struggling with Facebook ads. So see how Jennifer's free traffic method generated her $50,000 in just 30 days. So that is again one of the methods that people are stuck with when it comes to affiliate marketing, is traffic. So they are covering that. They've opened the pain point and now they're saying there's a solution if you register for the webinar. So again, here, this is about registering for a webinar, and that's another use for landing pages. So it can be about registering for webinar, opting into an email list, or actually selling a course or training or a product. So next one here is for some free training. And this one is about that she's giving away free training for the 2021 real estate marketing plan. Learn how to attract leads online, build relationships at scale, and take over your local market without cold calling or door knocking. So this is in a specific niche. You can see the person who's involved, you can see what you're going to get, and you can see that it is a free lead magnet. So all you would do is click on that and a pop-up appears, and then the person types in their name, best email, and the plan will go straight to them. And often in this case, there is then a thank you page where they explain something to them, and some cases they then try and offer you a course that you need to purchase or a product that you need to purchase, or you send them straight on to the offer from that. Then here's another one. And this one is get your free Amazon coupon and PPC funnel, build your own customer list, generate more reviews, increase your sales velocity, improve your product page viability, plug and play funnel. And it's basically called Funnel Engines. It's built on ClickFunnels. So it says send me the Amazon funnel now. So it's for selling products on Amazon, and I reckon it's to do with probably ClickFunnels and the one-click funnel away. So they directing you in two ways there. Then this one here is a free 7-day masterclass series. Again, 7 steps I use to quit my job. Most people want to quit their job. They find it tiring. They find that they can't scale their income up. It takes them away from their family, or they just simply don't like going out to work. They prefer to stay at home. So this is getting again at a pain point, and it's telling them the solution. So it's saying, and build a business selling simple everyday products globally on Amazon without tech skills or complicated advertisement. So this is the marketplace superhero, and this is something you need to notice, that this one has got legal pages here, terms, privacy and support. Same with this one here as well. At the bottom, privacy policy, disclosure, terms of contact, because you actually need that if you're going to be advertising. Now this one is definitely advertising on Facebook because they've put this here. This site is not part of a Facebook website or Facebook Inc. Additionally, this site is not endorsed by Facebook. So they are going to be using Facebook adverts because they have put that in there to say they are not endorsed. And again, they've got income disclaimer. So this is covering everything. Also notice there is nowhere for the person to click other than on these if they want any information. The whole purpose is to get them to go through, and again it's a pop-up that enters there, enter your best email below, name, email, and on this case they're even asking you for your phone number. Then they'll take you to the offer that they've got at the back end there. Then this is another one here. This is to do with hidden high protein recipes, so you get sent a free recipe. But this has also got why this ebook is different. So it's doing a bit of a pre-sell on this. So it's telling you what some of the recipes are. And again, nowhere else for you to click. There's no navigation, but it's telling you it's trusted by Trustpilot. And then it's got all rights reserved, terms and conditions again, and privacy policy. And again, if you click on that, pops up, send me the recipes. So again, that is a really good example of a landing page. And then finally, there's this one here. And this one is said as seen on Forbes, the Huffington Post. You should only put that if you really have been seen on Forbes or the Huffington Post. And it's about a free must-have workbook, 17 ways to stand out online as the go-to coach without selling your soul. So you can download now. And it's saying it's 100% secure, will never be shared with anybody. There's no GDPR tick box here, but it is saying that the information is secure. It is an old page, so it might be before GDPR and it's not been updated, but there is a privacy policy. Now this one here, Spam doesn't fit our macro, and again, there is a privacy policy which is for GDPR, so you need to make sure that you've got those in, and I think this one did it as well. So yeah, there's the tick thing for the GDPR, so you must make sure that they are in there. This one hasn't got it, so I think that one's fairly old, and this one hasn't either. So there's certain things that you need to be making sure that you've got in there, that you have got your privacy policies, terms of use, products terms, disclaimers, affiliate disclaimers if you are using them. So that is what a landing page is. It's about collecting information or opting into a webinar or on a sales page. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get a hold of your free 12 steps that will help you build your business online. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell to be notified about any other videos I make. And I will be following this video up with how to actually build a free landing page.